What's that? What's the emergency?
Hi, I'm at the corner of Pleasant Hill and John Young Parkway. I'm in a Walgreens parking lot, and my car will not start. I'm locked inside my car. I cannot open my car. I can't get the windows down. Nothing electrical works.
No, God!
And it's getting very hot
No,
in here.
God,
and
please, no!
I'm not
No!
feeling well.
No!
I need some help.
Are you able to pull the lock up on the door and open the door? You should be able to just pull the lock up even if it's electrical.
I'm trying. Oh, okay. All right, I got that going. Okay.
So are you able to get out the car now?
Yeah, I got the door open.
Okay.
All righty. I'll see if I can get AAA or something.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
All right. Bye-bye.
Why, hello there, and welcome.
Warning, warning, a production incident has occurred. Warning, warning, a production incident has occurred.